Oh, let me show you guys what happened, guys. So I have my tools right here, and I guess one of these nights how many pounds is this? This is 3 pounds, and I guess it just slid off and it fell, and guess what? It hit my door. It hit my 350Z passenger door. No! Let me show you guys what it looked like right now. So it left 3 dents. I don't know if you can see through the camera. There's 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. Hopefully I can get someone to come over and just pop those dents out. But hey, you live and learn. So what I did now is on the tool, I just kind of bent these hangers more towards up. So then the hammer won't just like slide down, it just slides back now. So that won't fall.
Tomorrow.
What's up, guys? So today we're gonna be trying to take out my dents on the door. I got some of the tools. Let me show you first. So I got some of these tools to remove the dents. I'm trying to use a method called glue pulling. So what you do is just get these little tabs, put some glue on here, paste it on here, and then you use these tools to kind of slowly pull it out. Pretty sure it's not going to be 100% perfect, but if it's somewhat better than this and not noticeable, it's good enough for me. First thing, I want to heat up the panel.
All right, where are we now, Matt?
All right, so I got one of the tab on there. I use the glue gun, and with this tool, you just kind of slide this piece over it, and then just kind of slowly pull it. Well, I don't think it's strong enough. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to use a bigger one.
Take 2.
So we're gonna try to pull this one out again. Alright, that doesn't work too well. Let's try this one then. Yeah, I think, forget it. Alright guys, so I have a professional doing the dent repair. Let's see all his tools, all these professional tools here. And this heat gun itself is insane. Let's cross our fingers. Oh, oh no.
This paint is not good.
Man.
That wasn't even a hard pull at all.
Damn.
Whoever painted that, they did not do a good job. Disclaimer!
Alright guys, so so fortunately this door panel has been repainted before, so if it was factory paint it wouldn't have this issue, but yeah, so the big chunk of paint just ripped right. Alright guys, so a little update on the dents on my door. He unfortunately wasn't able to remove the dent, and thus peeling a paint off of my car. He first tried to get behind the panel by, you know, with that long metal rod trying to push it out, but because there was like a brace behind the window, there was no access. So the other method was using the glue pulling method. So my door was previously painted and it was not OEM, it's not factory. So glue pulling is riskier. If you see from the video, he just try to pull it on it lightly, and that just like pulled the paint right off quick. Like, I was so shocked. My heart dropped when I saw that, and I was like, oh, I do not want to spend $400 just to repaint the door panel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap the car. I'm gonna wait until spring, until the weather gets a little warmer, to wrap the car. I don't know what color yet. I'm thinking about keeping it white, only because it's easier to kind of match the gaps in the door panels and such, but maybe I want a different color, so maybe you guys can decide what color you think I should wrap it. I was thinking red or the Smurf blue color, like the Porsche. or even Nardo gray. I don't know. So you guys let me know, what color should I wrap the car? I'm sad, but I'm trying to, you know, look ahead, and now I have a reason to wrap the car. You know, I've been having white cars all my life. 3 of my cars are white, so I think I'm gonna change it up this time. Let me know what you think. What color? What brand? See you.